My name is Ann-Marie Powell, and I'm the designer of the Octavia Hill Garden by Blue Diamond with the National Trust. Now, the garden is designed as an urban community wildlife garden, and it's to encourage people to experience nature and to feel part of it. If they see the fragility and the importance and value of it, I'm hoping that it will allow people to safeguard it and encourage them to look after our natural landscapes into the future. The garden is comprised of a whole lot of features, but I particularly like the small touches to encourage wildlife into our spaces. We've got habitat structures, which are just tripods of hazel stacked up with waste material that we've gathered through the garden as we've been building it. Gorgeous oak-carved British wood, which is harvested from National Trust woodlands, so it's completely beautiful. By Kate Hanrahan, he's carved all over the country in places like Windsor Castle and now at the Chelsea Flower Show. I think my favourite plant in the garden has to be Craspedia globosa. Now, that's usually grown as an annual, although I can never get it to grow from seed. But actually, it is perennial, and I think as our climate changes, there's much more chance of seeing it get through the winter.